Charging with your new Ohme Home Pro is easy. Just like with our Ohme Home and Ohme Go products, you can control your charging from the Ohme app. With our Home Pro, you can also control your charging from the charger itself. To get started, plug your charger into your car. Just like in the Ohme app, the percentage displayed on the left-hand side of the dashboard shows the car's state of charge upon plug-in. Note that this will always be 0% on a car without an API, or with an API with which we are not yet integrated. Head to our website for more information on charging with and without API support. Clicking on Next View on the dashboard will display the current session stats, including estimated cost and CO2 savings. Note that this option will only be displayed once the car is plugged in. The 3 blue buttons on the Home Pro are contextual, so their functions will depend on what screen is displayed and whether or not the car is plugged in. Clicking on Edit Target will allow you to amend the current session. Here, you can adjust the target percentage or time. If you want to charge instantly, click on Max Charge. You'll know that Max Charge has been enabled if the screen of your Home Pro turns red. You'll notice that the screen of your Ohme app also turns red when Max Charge is enabled. The Stop button gives you the option to stop or pause charging. If a session has been paused, you'll see Charging Paused in the top left of the display screen. Select Charge Now to start charging again. If you switch to Max Charge but want to go back to Smart Charging, click on Edit Target again and adjust the session accordingly. If you need any help, or if you're worried something isn't quite right, our customer care team are happy to help. Send them a message via help@ohme-ev.com.